3 orders of wonton soup.
And then?
Oh, some fortune cookies too.
Then?
I think that's about it.
And then?
No, that's it.
And then?
No, and then that's all I want.
And then?
then nothing else because I'm done ordering. Okay.
And then?
No. See, all I want is the 3 orders of the garlic chicken and the 3 orders of the white rice.
And then?
And the soup, dude. Oh, and the wonton soup.
And then?
And the cookies fortune. And the fortune cookies. Yeah. So it's just the chicken, the rice, the soup, and the fortune cookies, and that's it.
And then?
And then you can put it in a brown paper bag and come put it in my hand because I'm ready to eat. I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games. No! No and then! 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 You're starting to piss me off, lady. And then I'm gonna come in there and I'm gonna put my foot in your ass if you say and then again!
And then?